Hello everyone and welcome to part 7 of poster presentation regarding the preparing effective poster presentation. We need to ensure that the poster is prepared in the effective poster formatting. I am Dr. Hassan at Khalid Hassan, Professor of Clinical Pharmacology and Drug Therapy. Okay, so the purpose of effective poster formatting this to ensure clarity and engagement of your poster. Number one, we need to be sure we have design presentation. This presentation need to be clear and concise. Making the presentation in a clear and concise. This allow us to prepare caption with a concise concept to ensure a poster explain itself. No need to stand and explain the poster. And in this case will allow us as a presenter, as a researcher, to focus on the question, to focus on the discussion during the session, during a meeting with the attendees and in the conference. So we need design presentation, concise captions, and this give us a space, a room for having discussion with the attendees. How we can do that, how we can implement effective poster formatting, we need to follow the poster guidelines. So the poster guidelines, number one, we need to figure out what type of poster do you have or do you need to prepare. Is this poster should be landscape position, horizontal position, or this should be in horizontal position like this one here, or if this poster should be in vertical position. We have to be sure about that. So here we talk about dimension. Is this horizontal or is this like vertical? So we need to figure out about the dimension and the size of the poster, and we covered that already in previous part of the poster presentation. Okay, the first part, we need to figure out what type of poster do we need. Do we need it like horizontal landscaping or portrait vertical poster? Okay, then we need to focus also on the title and the author names. And this one should be in large font size, and some for example could be 70 to 80 font size. Okay, then we look on the content. The content should be readable for at least 3 feet. So if your audience is standing 3 feet away from your poster, okay, they will be able to see your poster. Okay, if the audience attendees stand 3 feet at least from your poster, they will be able to see your poster. Okay, continue speaking about the poster guidelines. As you can see here, font size should be 20 or above. We recommend to be 22, 24, 26. And bold font, try to use a bold font, especially for the heading and subheading at least. We recommend to be in the body text, also bold font. Dark text, don't use like any light text. Okay, with the background should be light background. Use QR code for the quick response QR code. So we have 5 steps. Maybe the shape of the poster, first vertical or the horizontal, the title, the content, the font size, the bold text, the background, and the QR code. So this is the effective poster guidelines, formatting guidelines. Okay, speaking about QR code, what is the purpose of QR code? So if the attendees scan the QR code, this will take them to the full article paper. Okay, this you take them to the case study, for example, research, review, full article paper, or this will take them to the references, or this will take them to your abstract, or could be maybe linked to your contact details. Okay, so when you finish with the QR code, we move to the graphics, charts, and tables. Okay, so we done with the QR code. We move to the graphic chart and tables. A graphic chart and tables should provide high resolution for image. Okay, place, don't copy and paste blurred vision. The chart, maybe graphic, figures, table should be high resolution image for clarity. Moving to the next one, keep chart, table simple and label clearly. The table and chart should be stand by itself. So if someone stand near to your table or the chart, they need to be able to understand what do you have there and what is the information for what. Okay, use contrast color for better visibility. For example, don't use like some background color very close to the text color. In this case, we are not able to read the information. Okay, highlight key data with a bold or color accent here. So it's very important to focus, highlight the important information. Okay, highlight the important information is very important things. Take away points. Okay, avoid any clutter and focus on essential information. Okay, so again, I will go back to remind you that what we have. So the graphic, high resolution, keep chart and table simple, contrast color, highlight key data, and avoid any maybe clutter and focus on the essential information. Okay, this will conclude this brief introduction about effective poster formatting. We provide some tips for clarity and engagement. Thank you for watching and have a great day.